Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make salad dressing using an easy method. First, gather your basic ingredients: a good quality oil, a type of vinegar, and your favorite seasonings. Extra virgin olive oil is a fantastic choice for a rich flavor, and you can pick apple cider, red wine, or balsamic vinegar based on your taste. Having these staples on hand makes creating delicious dressings simple and quick. Achieving the perfect balance is key, and a 2-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar is a great starting point. For example, use 2/3 cup of oil to 1/3 cup of vinegar. To help your dressing come together beautifully, add about 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It acts as a natural emulsifier. Whisk all the ingredients vigorously until they are fully combined and have a creamy consistency. Now for the fun part, customization. Feel free to experiment with fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or chives to add vibrant flavors. For a little extra zing, consider adding minced garlic or a pinch of red pepper flakes. Once your dressing is perfect, transfer it to an airtight container. It will stay fresh and delicious in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next salad. Here are a few quick tips to elevate your dressing. Always taste your dressing and adjust the seasonings, like salt and pepper, until it's just right for you. If you prefer a slightly sweeter dressing, a touch of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.